Hello and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you the classic Thai dish, Tom Yum. So this is very easy to do. Do it at home, just a few ingredients. Taste extravaganza, sour, a little bit salty, spicy. So if that sounds good to you, stick around.
Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make tom yum prawn, just the basic one. Okay, we start from 2 stems of lemongrass, 4 pieces of galangal, 1 clove of shallot, 6 or 7 pieces of small Thai red chilli, 4 pieces of kaffir lime leaf, salt. I tell you later the amount. Lemon juice, prawn, tiger prawn, and coriander. Right, okay, then we start. We boil a vegetable. You can get the stock from here. We just boil about 10 minutes. Okay, now we get the vegetable stock. Yeah, we take the water from here, about 500 ml. Right. This one, the water boiling. Okay, we put the shallot, lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaf. Oh, lots of ingredients. Yeah? Right, we boil a few minutes, and then we put the taste. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. A half tablespoon of salt. Few pieces of cherry tomato. And then chili. You slide or you smash chili. Let me see the taste ก่อนนะ I put a little bit more sour. Don't you like sour? This one your lunch also. Okay, last you put the tiger prawn. I put 7 pieces. You can put less or you put more as you like. Okay, then you off the gas. Then you can see the prawn has cooked. You can see the color turn to orange. Coriander top into the decoration, or you can put sweet basil.
Okay, so here's our Tom Yum. Now this is the old style to make it. So we didn't put any sugar in here. It's good. Spicy, pungent, sour, which I like. Give this a go. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. It's really good. We'll show you another variation sometime in the future. But give that a go. It's pretty easy, and you might just have a bit of trouble getting some of the ingredients. But you know, you can freeze them, you can store them, you can order them online, so it shouldn't be too bad. So enjoy, give it a go, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.